Tachi. Wish mommy luck. Here we go. Look at me. Woohoo! Oh. Who's excited? Doggies are. Our neighbor Corey is the best. Just building the kids a fort. Say hi. The masterpiece to all this. Woohoo! All right, you boys ready now? Okay. All right, let's go home, doggies. We're almost done. Come on, let's go. Good job. I'm pulling too. Way to go. Almost there. Good job, Rox. Good boy, Ruthie. Woohoo! Happy snow day! Woohoo! Snow day, snow day. Good job. Good job, almost there. Hey, Corey! Stop, Roxy! Keep going, let's go! Let's go! Yeah. Come on, Rox, this way. Good girl. Woohoo! Here we go! Say hi, boys! I'm a dog today and I'm pulling. We got our neighbor boy, Kai and Tachi in there. We're pulling. Good job. Here we go. Uh-oh, Ren, hold on. That's not pull. Let's go this way. Hold on, boys. Hold tight, Taj. This way, Rox. This way. You ready? You on? Come on. Let's go this way. We made it. Good job, Ren. Good job. Let's go. Go girl, Rox. Come on. Woohoo! Good job. Come on. Woohoo! All right. Good job, you guys. That's pretty cool. Oh boy. Oh, fun.
And you were supposed to sleep. What are you gonna do with you, bro?
Dog sled ride, huh, Tachi? Yeah. I think they know where we are. Oh, now we got a light. Oh man, look at our freaking snow fort.
Come here.
I can even relax in here. Now we got a dog.
Oh.